If I come late, my salary will be cut. Jika aku terlambat datang, gajiku akan dipotong. If you come to the party, I will come too. Jika kamu datang ke pesta, aku juga akan datang. If Tom had cooked the spaghetti, he would have been full by now. Jika Tom sudah memasak spaghetti, dia akan kenyang sekarang. If you tell your dad the truth, he will forgive you. Jika kamu memberitahu ayahmu yang sebenarnya, dia akan memaafkanmu. If Edie win the lottery, he will take her girlfriend to Paris. Jika Edie menang lotre, dia akan membawa pacarnya ke Paris. If dad come home late, he will get in trouble. Jika ayah pulang ke rumah terlambat, dia akan mendapat masalah. If I meet Nindi, I will introduce my brother. Jika aku bertemu dengan Nindi, aku akan memperkenalkan kakakku. I will buy a box martabak tonight if you clean the room. Aku akan membeli sekotak martabak malam ini jika kamu membersihkan kamar. What will he do if he misses the bus? Apa yang akan dia lakukan bila dia ketinggalan bus? If I have more time, I'll read that magazine. Apabila aku punya waktu, aku akan membaca majalah itu. I may finish that Wednesday Netflix TV show tonight if I have time. Mungkin aku akan menyelesaikan serial TV Netflix hari Rabu itu malam ini jika ada waktu. If you drop that glass on the floor, it might break. Jika kamu menjatuhkan gelas itu ke lantai, kemungkinan akan pecah. If mom take a medicine, she will feel better. Jika ibu minum obat, dia akan merasa lebih baik. If it doesn't rain today, we will go to the beach. Bila tidak hujan hari ini, kita akan pergi ke pantai. If Beauty gives her roses, she will be very happy. Jika Budi memberinya sebuket mawar, dia akan senang sekali. If it snows, we will stay at home. Jika bersalju, kamu akan tinggal di rumah. If my father call me, I should go. Jika ayahku menelponku, aku harus pergi. If she buy your groceries, you will be able to go to the park. Jika dia membelikan kebutuhanmu, kamu akan bisa pergi ke taman. Nobody won't notice if you make a big mistake. Tidak akan ada orang yang tahu bila kamu membuat kesalahan besar. If you buy an electric car, you will save money on gas. Bila kamu membeli mobil listrik, kamu akan menghemat uang untuk gas. If dad win the lottery, he will take me to Europe for holiday. Bila ayah menang lotre, dia akan membawaku berlibur ke Eropa. Ben will go snorkeling if he has time in the afternoon. Ben akan pergi menyelam bila dia punya waktu di siang hari. If Wendy does not make a point, his team will be lost. Bila Wendy tidak mencetak poin tim, dia akan kalah. If I were her, I would buy a luxury bag. Kalau aku jadi dia, aku akan membeli tas yang mahal. I would go to the Coldplay concert if I had more money. Aku akan pergi ke konser Coldplay kalau aku punya uang lebih. I want to go on vacation, but I have to save money. Aku ingin pergi berlibur, tetapi aku harus menabung. The book is thick, but it is very interesting. Buku itu tebal tetapi sangat menarik. Do you want tea or coffee for breakfast? Kamu mau teh atau kopi untuk sarapan? We can go to the park or stay at home. Kita bisa pergi ke taman atau tinggal di rumah. The weather was cold, yet we still enjoyed our walk. Cuacanya dingin, namun kami tetap menikmati jalan-jalan kami. He is very rich, yet he is not happy. Dia sangat kaya, namun dia tidak bahagia. I was feeling hungry, so I made myself a sandwich. Aku merasa lapar, jadi aku membuat sendiri sebuah roti lapis. He studied hard for the test, so he got a good score. Dia belajar dengan giat untuk ujian, sehingga dia mendapat nilai yang bagus. As I was walking home, I saw an old friend. Ketika aku sedang berjalan pulang, aku melihat seorang teman lama. He couldn't come to the party because he was sick. Dia tidak bisa datang ke pesta karena dia sakit. You should brush your teeth before you go to bed. Kamu harus menyikat gigimu sebelum kamu tidur. I will support you even if everyone is against you. Aku akan mendukungmu bahkan jika semua orang menentangmu. If you study hard, you will pass the exam. Jika kamu belajar dengan giat, kamu akan lulus ujian. I have been waiting here since 10 a.m. Aku telah menunggu di sini sejak jam 10 pagi. She saved money so that she could buy a new laptop. Dia menabung agar dia bisa membeli laptop baru. Though he is young, he is very wise. Meskipun dia muda, dia sangat bijaksana. You will not succeed unless you work hard. Kamu tidak akan berhasil kecuali jika kamu bekerja keras. Please wait here until I come back. Tolong tunggu di sini hingga aku kembali. I was cooking when the phone rang. Aku sedang memasak ketika telepon berdering. He read a book while his sister was playing games. Dia membaca buku sementara adiknya sedang bermain game. When Maria woke up this morning, she felt refreshed. Ketika Maria bangun pagi ini, dia merasa segar. When the rain started, Hilda and Siska quickly ran for cover. Saat hujan mulai turun, Hilda dan Siska segera berlari mencari perlindungan. Henry went to bed after she read a book. Henry pergi tidur setelah dia membaca buku. She always exercises after he wakes up in the morning. Dia selalu berolahraga setelah dia bangun tidur di pagi hari. Ian felt hungry after she smelled the delicious food. Ian merasa lapar setelah dia mencium aroma makanan yang lezat. Gista will buy a new car if she gets a big year-end bonus at work. Gista akan membeli mobil baru jika dia mendapatkan bonus besar akhir tahun di tempat kerjanya. I have to go to bed now, for I have an early meeting tomorrow. Aku harus tidur sekarang karena aku ada rapat pagi besok. She was very tired for she had been working all day. Dia sangat lelah karena dia telah bekerja sepanjang hari. He likes playing guitar and singing a song. Dia suka bermain gitar dan menyanyikan sebuah lagu. We went to the cinema and watched the new Marvel movie. Kami pergi ke bioskop dan menonton film Marvel yang baru. He doesn't like spicy food, nor does he like sweet food. Dia tidak suka makanan pedas, juga tidak suka makanan manis. She is not a doctor, nor is she a nurse. Dia bukan seorang dokter, juga bukan seorang perawat. Diane apologized for being late. Dion meminta maaf karena terlambat. The weather is nice today, so we're going for a walk at Museum Nasional. Cuaca hari ini bagus, jadi kita bisa jalan ke Museum Nasional. She practiced the piano regularly, so she improved quickly. Dia berlatih piano secara rutin, jadi dia berkembang dengan cepat. They worked as a team, so they completed the project on time. Mereka bekerja sebagai tim sehingga menyelesaikan proyek tepat waktu. Devon is tired yet she keeps working. Dovin lelah namun dia tetap bekerja. Community arts not only provides entertainment regarding artist performances but also provides a creative outlet for the general public. Komunitas. Seni tidak hanya memberikan hiburan mengenai penampilan seniman, namun juga menjadi wadah kreasi bagi masyarakat umum. Hari sudah larut, namun mereka tetap melanjutkan pestanya. Ketika John masih kecil, dia suka bermain dengan mobil mainan. The first European settlement in what is now Mississippi was Trading Center in Biloxi. Pemukiman Eropa pertama di Mississippi sekarang adalah pusat perdagangan di Biloxi. When Sarah woke up, she felt refreshed. Ketika Sarah bangun, dia merasa segar. When Johnny arrived at the Hartsfield-Jackson Airport, his wife Angel and son Hayden were waiting for him. Ketika Johnny tiba di Bandara Hartson, sang istri Angel dan anaknya yang bernama Hayden sedang menunggunya. When Dave finished doing his math and biology homework, he would go to the internet cafe. Ketika Dave selesai mengerjakan PR matematika dan biaya, dia akan pergi ke warnet. When Mariana heard the news, she couldn't believe it. Ketika Marian mendengar berita itu, dia tidak bisa mempercayainya. Siska didn't go to the year-end party because she had a fever and cough. Siska tidak pergi ke pesta akhir tahun karena dia merasa demam dan batuk. Jake studied late tonight because he had end-of-term exams starting tomorrow. Jake belajar larut malam ini karena dia memiliki ujian akhir semester mulai besok. Emil brought an umbrella because the weather forecast predicted rain. Emil membawa payung karena ramalan cuaca memprediksi hujan. Although Hilma is tired, he is determined to finish his project tonight. Meskipun Hilma lelah, dia bertekad untuk menyelesaikan proyeknya malam ini. Although Iris is a vegan, she still prepares grilled meat for her husband. Meskipun Iris adalah seorang vegan, ia tetap menyiapkan daging panggang untuk sang suami. Although Dinda doesn't like horror movies, she watched one with his friends. Meskipun Dinda tidak suka film horor, dia menontonnya dengan teman-temannya. Zach will go to the concert if he can get tickets. Zach akan pergi ke konser jika dia bisa mendapatkan tiket. Exa will cook dinner if her friends come over. Exa akan memasak makan malam jika temannya datang. Dipta will visit the museum if it doesn't rain tomorrow. Dipta akan mengunjungi museum jika besok tidak hujan. Jessica likes to have a cup of coffee before he starts working. Jessica suka minum secangkir kopi sebelum dia mulai bekerja. Arcana checked her emails before going to bed. Arcana memeriksa emailnya sebelum pergi tidur.